Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to register as a driver on Bolt. First, open the web browser and search for Bolt. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. Once on the Bolt website, look for an option to register as a driver. If you don't see it, go back to the search engine and type Bolt register as a driver and then tap on the first link that comes up. On the Bolt driver registration page, tap on Apply to Drive. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Next, select your country code from the drop-down menu and enter your phone number in the provided field. After that, type in the name of your city. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions, and then tap on Sign up as a driver. Bolt will send a verification code to the phone number you provided. Enter this code into the required field on the website. Once you have entered the code and completed all the remaining steps, you will have successfully registered as a driver on Bolt. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.